Hello friends, today I am going to do an unboxing video of Amazon Basics cast iron skillet 12-inch diameter. So let's get started. I was eagerly waiting for this product and finally the wait is over as I have received this product today itself and can't wait to unbox it. As you can see that the packaging is quite big, so is the skillet. There is adequate cushioning to protect the product from vibration and impact shock. So here is our skillet. Isn't that beautiful? It looks sturdy and feels heavy. The company says it is 3.8 kg. Now let's turn it over. As expected, it does take some effort to lift. The pan is thick and strong, so is its handle, which is curved slightly upwards. To give you an idea of its size, I have placed a knife and spoon on the inner surface of the pan. As I had mentioned earlier in the video that this is a 12-inch skillet, so before buying this product it is important that the cooking surface on which it is going to be cooked is compatible with the size of the skillet. Because when I was cooking on induction cooktop, the side walls of the skillet hardly received any heat, which may be fine for making omelette, but definitely not for cooking curry. But having said that, the skillet worked perfectly fine on gas stoves. I'm gonna give a brief demo of cooking on an induction cooktop to let you get a better idea. Now I'm cooking on my induction cooktop, the Philips HD 4938, which by the way was also bought from Amazon. Now I'm going to put some oil on the frying pan. As you can see that the areas in and around the center of the pan received maximum heat, whereas the areas near the periphery received very little. But like I said earlier in the video, that the pan worked perfectly fine on gas cooktops. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a great day.